Yo. Right. Oh dear. So we're going back to that Kia we did the other day with a faulty clutch. So, yes. So we're going to go and do that one again. Not too far. 25 minutes. 14 mile. The issue we've got with that is the clutch that they supplied is the only one that was available. LUK have no stock. Valio no stock, Saks no stock, Xedi no stock, Blueprint no stock. None of the manufacturers have any stock in Europe. So I put what one they could get in last time, and they managed to find one more clutch. It's got an Apex clutch or something. That's the only thing they can find. Other than that, it's going to Kia, and they want like 800 quid just for the clutch. And I told the customer, they were like, no, we'll try that one first before we go down that route. Yeah, that's just ridiculous. 800 quid for just a 3-piece clutch kit. Bloody insane, but it is what it is. Right, anyway, let's get to it. See you on the other side, people. Stop recording then, though. What's going on, people? Right, we're back to this bloody thing again. Just we're all not going gear. I've got another clutch for it, but hopefully it works. But yeah, absolute ball ache. But yeah, I'm not going to bother videoing all this. I've seen it done once, so I'll cut to when the gearbox is out. I'm going to put the clutch in and we'll stick it in. And I'll bleed it. Now I should be able to tell by the pedal, because at the minute the pedal doesn't have that springiness. When you push your clutch pedal down, you get the little springy bit. You go dump. That's where the pressure plates disengage, but it hasn't got that. It's just like weird. I had the same on the other Kia anyway as well. So yeah, let's get it all apart and cut to the gearbox on the floor. Oh dear. Right, I've got it back out. Thing is, that's the clutch that was in it, the 41. We've got a different brand of clutch. Looks like it's made in the same factory, because that is bloody identical. But we will see. So I'm just going to put the box in, put 2 bell housing bolts, I'll bleed it out. Then I'll fill, I should be able to tell by the pedal if it's correct. Bloody hope so. But yeah, that looks like that's come out the same factory, just with a different badge on it. Because if you look at all brands of clutches, they're all got their own sort of unique look. And that looks just like that. Right, let's get this in and we'll come back and let you know if it's any good or not. Right, well, ball lake. Identical clutch, identical fault. So that's 2 clutches now. They look identical. They come out exact same factory, but one's got one name stamped on it, and the other name's got the other one stamped on it because the clutch pedal's exactly the same. So looks like we have to go dealer for that one. So I'll get there. I'll get onto the customer and let them know. Give them the great news. But yeah, right. Till next time, people. Have a good one.